Alright, so we've got this new program here. I want to try it out. Our notes for today is writing and interpreting functions number 2, patterns and sequences. So we're going to be looking at patterns. Sometimes it'll be in the table, sometimes we'll have to make the table. Alright, but we can use what we learned yesterday, maybe a little bit of a calculator trick, alright, to find our function. Alright, so here's how it goes. Question number 1. What expression can we use to find the tables of S of n, the values of S of n in the table below? Well, I got this table, right? So if I have this table, then I can put this table into my calculator, and it will write my expression for me. Because these kind of look like y equals mx plus b. I know that there's no x or y or anything like that, but your calculator can do this. So this, remember, is always going to be your x column. This is always going to be your y column. So if I can bring up my calculator, looks like this. Let's go ahead and start that up by doing, we need to do a document. Alright, golly, that looks big. There we go. Now we can see it. We want to make this column x. We'll make this column y. And then this column is going to start my table. So let's go back to look at my table here. My x column is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's just use, I don't know, let's use 3 points. So we'll go 1, 2, 3. 1, enter, 2, enter, 3, enter. And then for our y column, if we look at our table, we have 5, 8, 11. Alright. 5, 8, 11. Alright, so I got those entered. And remember, to find the equation of the line, we go to menu, let's do a little stats, stat and calculation. And the one that looks like what I want is number 3. So let's click on that one. We got to tell it what we want. Or actually, if you have this thing highlighted, you can just type on it. I want that one to be x, and this one to be y, and then click OK, and there's your equation. It says that we have m is equal to 3, b is equal to 2. So if I go back to my problem, I have m equal to 3 and b equal to 2. If I were to write this as an equation, I would have y equals 3x plus 2, or S of n equals 3n plus 2. That's letter choice D. Works out pretty good. Now remember, if it doesn't give you one that matches this, you might want to look for quadratics. If you have quadratics, try it out. Alright? Good luck, try it out and see what it does.